Have you ever walked into a room and felt like everyone was silently judging you? Or maybe you've been in a conversation where you knew you had great ideas, but they just didn't land. So, in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to share powerful tips that will make you sound confident. Yes, and instantly too. Whether you are meeting someone for the very first time, or you are asking your boss for something that you feel you deserve, or you just want to have a conversation with somebody else. I'm Olushola Showemimo, and today I'm going to be sharing with you some salient points. Make sure you hit the subscribe button because you definitely want to get more tips from this channel. So step one, posture and body language. It spells confidence because your confidence starts even before you enter the room. Yes, before you open your mouth, please stand or sit tall, shoulders back and chest open, and of course your chin slightly up. This posture signals confidence to others, but it also does what? It tells your brain, I've got this. Now, my bonus tip, avoid fidgeting because stillness equals strength. When you move, do it with purpose. It's not the time to fidget. Yes. And step two, the tone of your voice, the tone of your voice. Because the way you say something matters just as much as what you're saying. So speak a little slower than you think you should. Yes, it gives your words weight. And don't be afraid of pauses. Yes, a confident speaker isn't afraid of silence. In fact, when you take a pause, everybody quietens because they want to hear you. They feel that you're going to come up with something impactful. So keep your tone steady, but make it warm, not harsh. And end your sentences with a downward inflection to show certainty. Step three, choose your words wisely. Because confident people, they use strong, decisive language, not forceful. No. So you're going to replace words like I think with I believe. And then drop filler words like uh, or or basically. And when you're making a point, keep it simple and clear. People trust those who communicate with clarity. We don't want to go get dictionary because you're speaking. No, we want to listen and understand you. Step four, eye contact. Yes. And smiling too. So here's the simplest way to command attention. Mhm. Make eye contact. It's not the creepy one where it looks like you're looking and they're not comfortable with your look. And it's not the staring kind where you're like, mm, mm. It's just enough to show that you are engaged and you're present. Please match it with a genuine smile. It's heartwarming and makes you appear approachable and still confident. Yes. Step five, practice confidence daily. Finally, practice confidence daily. You know why? Confidence is not like a switch that you turn up and down. It's a habit. So you need to practice these 5 tips daily. You can record yourself speaking, record yourself looking in the mirror, or get a close friend or family who can listen and give you constructive feedback. You don't want people telling you, oh, that was nice. Oh, it's okay. Let them give you the real kernel so that you can refine your delivery. And guess what? The more you practice, the more natural confidence will feel. So, what is stopping you? Yes, you. What is stopping you? In just 3 minutes, you now have 5 tools that would help you to sound confident anytime, anywhere, and with anybody. So practice these steps and watch how people start reacting to you. Their reactions will be different because they're seeing a different you. So if you found this helpful, hit that like button. Share this video with someone who needs it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more confidence boosting content. See you in the next video.